giving up before you even start walking away from your ERISA disability claim by never filing a claim. Now, my dad was a World War II naval aviator. He came back from the war, went to Johns Hopkins on the GI Bill, joined the family insurance business, and he had the foresight, like you, to buy a disability policy in the event he became disabled. However, when he started having symptoms of leukemia, it took him 6 years before he stopped work and applied for his benefits. There were lots of excuses. He was embarrassed that he had survived the war but was now disabled and unable to work. He didn't think his doctor would support his claim. He thought he would improve and be able to continue to work. He didn't think it was the right time to stop work. Now, do any of those excuses sound familiar? You shouldn't let those excuses stop you from filing a disability insurance claim. After all, you, like my dad, paid a premium for that disability policy. So what you should be doing is giving timely notice of your claim and timely filing a claim. Well, fortunately, my father finally decided he couldn't work any longer. He stopped work. He filled out his disability insurance application within days of me graduating from high school. Ultimately, he got his benefits, and he didn't walk away. But it was incumbent upon him to give timely notice of the claim to the disability carrier and to timely file the application for benefits. Each policy or plan is different. They have different requirements for notice and filing. Now, I suggest that when you get to the point where you think you're going to have to stop work, that you get a copy of your disability policy or plan and read it cover to cover like my dad did, so he understood what he had to prove, when it was the right time to stop work, and what should be in his medical records. I want you to understand there's lots of traps in disability policies or plans, as I've said, including the requirement that you put them on notice timely and to timely file that claim. If you are doing this, you should be then consulting with an experienced ERISA disability attorney such as myself, so that we can read this policy together, look at your medical records, and make sure that you understand what you have to prove, that you understand the impact of an elimination period, you understand whether there's subjective medical condition limitations, you understand when the definition of disability changes from any occupation to own occupation, and you understand if there's any right to offsets or reductions of your benefits. You need to know all of this before you stop work and apply for your benefits. Don't walk away. You're leaving valuable benefits on the table, benefits that will help you and your family during your period of financial need. 727-894-3188.